Hey guys, this is in addition to feel good moments of life. And here you can see something on your screen which brings smile on your face. I think you have lost weight. Well, for those who are overweight, especially the ladies, this brings joy, this brings happiness, and this brings the possibility to explore in a narration for the say, I think you have lost weight. The conduct, the flow, and the scenario, everywhere people go to replace the thought, the analysis. Many a times, individuals report the feeling of divine help and strength when they come close to breaking point. Actually, divine help is always there, but we are usually so busy doing things in our own little ways that we only look for it when we face absolute or absolute defeat. The tranquil nature of enlightened souls comes from their ability to take God's help constantly. A state of true surrender will lead us to the feeling of victory in everything we do, and that's the exploratory. That's the fantastic way of being happy. And yes, the scenario, when shared in this format, explores the conduct in the best possible manner. Well, it also matters when your favorite shop suddenly puts up that board which says flat 50% off. Yes, that's the preference. Let the treasure of happiness always be with you, and all other treasures will automatically come to you with that fragrance of little things in life. But at times, sometimes due to jealousy, we try to degrade others, and in so doing, we degrade ourselves as well. So we need to be very monitoring of that capsule. The next we have is a preference when you hear this on a Monday morning, Aaj school band hai or Aaj office band hai. It's in English it says today the office is closed or today is a holiday, or for the kids it says today the schools are closed. Such a great happiness we try to imbibe in ourselves. Automatically something which you're supposed to do and now you don't have to do. Something like going for a job, and of course that day you're told it's a holiday. The surprise element that brings happiness. But in the same case, we need to understand that if we plant a positive, clean seed of thought and concentrate on it, we will give it energy like the sun gives to a seed in the earth. And as the seed in the earth awakens, stills, and begins to grow, the thought on which we concentrated awakens, stills, and begins to grow. So let us also positive thoughts. And that is the requirement for happiness. Sab theek ho jayega after a bad day is a therapy. Everything will be okay after a bad day is a therapy. Somebody says everything will be okay. So you feel happy about it. You'll feel exploring about it. And that's the thought analysis which says the best solutions to problems will not be the result of hard working. Use your time better by creating peaceful thoughts, and problems will cease to affect you. Do not try to solve everything on your own. Leave some space for God to come and help you. Yes, of course, everything happens with the best, for the best, in the best possible manner. Your determination to believe in you should give success and happiness. You have the determination to plant seeds of change now and the wisdom to wait for the fruits to emerge. And that is what is the mantra for happiness. Then you also have happiness when people laugh at your jokes. It's a small, simple thing. But yes, we need to learn how to make others happy. We need to learn how to explore the possibility of happiness in the best of the possibilities in existence. That's all from this module. Take care and stay blessed.